What's up guys, it's Jason Magruder here today. Guys, this is Jason Magruder here today. What's up guys, it's Jason Magruder here today. Welcome back to the 10th episode of my podcast. Yes! We're finally back with this, and we're going to be talking about the stock market, dude. It is going crazy right now. I know this is unexpected that this podcast is back. Like, I call it a podcast, it's like a miniature podcast, like 8 to 10 minutes, going really, really well. And these are the things that got me views. And I know it's not going to be progressive up top, but this is how we're going to keep doing this now. The gaming stuff just wasn't it, man. Like, I wasn't as good at it and had a lot of problems. It was stressing me out. It was just a lazy thing to do to keep the channel like progressive. Like, not even progressive, it was just consistent. And now we're here with the miniature podcasts that I'm going to be trying to do every day and keeping you guys updated with all the news in a teenager perspective. Even if you're a young adult, you can be watching this. Helps you take an easier look at the world today. So recently, stock market, oh my gosh. Stock market's always been a little boring to many people, but apparently everybody wants to talk about it now. And it, like, the coins, dude, like, they're not coins, but like Bitcoin and Dogecoin just made a breakthrough. So everybody's been talking about Bitcoin, how it went up to 40K. I don't know how much it is right now, but I'm gonna check. Yeah, Bitcoin obviously went down a little bit, but the whole trend recently is just Bitcoin itself. It got over $30,000. It's at 33 right now. Its top was 34. I was wrong about 40, but Bitcoin's been very trending lately, and all the other USD cryptocurrencies have been such a breakthrough and very trendy for everybody. Everybody wants to just be like, everyone wants to be like some stupid expert now. Like, it's kind of cringy, but like that's me too. I swear I don't even know a lot about this. I just started learning like a few days ago. It's just good for like these miniature podcasts. So basically, cryptocurrency is basically, in my words, it's literally just digital money. It's just cryptocurrency, literally in the name. It's a digital asset to work medium exchange where individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form and computerized database. Cryptography to secure transaction records. So it's actually really unsafe compared to actual cash you have, which also could be stolen. But for cryptocurrency, you got your social security number and your passwords. So that's literally all they need to find it. So like, if you bought Bitcoin, bro, I'd pray. Like, it is a very high threat for your money, and it's more of a thing to sell faster than just keeping it, because it's trending and it's going sky high right now. But it actually went down recently. Cryptocurrency revolves around stock market. Stock market is first the collection of markets exchange where regular activities of buying, selling, and issuance of shares publicly held companies take such place. So you can trade, bet downfalls and progression in any stock. There's Tesla that's been trending, Dogecoin, and the Reddit situation with GameStop. If you've heard about people being mad, it's really just, it's billionaires, like top level, the suits, I'd say, are getting upset with the Redditors who are amateur investors with the cryptocurrency and stock market. When it comes around the Dogecoin didn't have anything to do with this situation. It's actually GameStop. GameStop is one of like the largest actual like physical selling like game stores, and everybody buys their games digitally, but it's like, oh, you want a CD, you can get that. And there's also like gaming merchandise and gaming toys and everything there. Everybody makes memes like how stupid they are to like buy your like Xbox for like $50. I remember calling them once, and they're like, oh yeah, we buy for like $43.99. I was like, what the heck is that? I don't want to sell it for that. I'd sell it for like $100 somewhere else. But what I'm trying to say is, like, you really don't want to sell your console there. But suits were predicting their downfall and gambling into it and putting their bets into it to earn some money. Then the Redditors actually vested so much it went up to $33,000. I found an article on CBS News, so if you want to check out their article, it's in the link in the description to read the whole thing. I'm going to summarize it. Actually, I'll probably read word for word for it right now, but it's basically explaining this whole situation with GameStop and Wall Street and the Redditors. It states, a rise in the share of price GameStop has trained the eyes of stock market watchers on fast-growing Reddit discussion board called Wall Street Bets, where it appears that 20-somethings armed with cheap and easy stock market trading apps like Robinhood, Moohoo, and trading stations are targeting stocks to soar and hedge funds for takedowns. The drama sent GameStop shares up nearly 2,000% in less than 1 month. On Wednesday, the stock price of troubled retailer of video games soared yet again. This time, it went more than $200 to surpass $350 a share. The GameStop stock price fell a bit closer to earth on Tuesday, dropping about a third, or $115 to $235, but that's still up from mere $14 a share GameStop had command in December. While GameStop shares have been favorite of Wall Street members, it's a money-losing company that has been closing stores amid years of slumping sales and been a target of huge funds and so-called short sellers who wager the shares of particular companies will fall/fail. But guys, that's the whole point. It was the smartest and most unexpected thing for these amateur investors in Reddit. Like this Reddit group literally did it, and it's just been a trend, making other people want to invest in GameStop, because basically for Wall Street, the suits, the billionaires, you can bet and you can gamble on the stock market, and you can make it was obviously going down, so they're earning easy money for it, GameStop going down, because over the years it's like the last place to get actual physical games and everything like that, and it's just been going down. Everybody's been investing in it, making the stock go up, which is making the suits lose money, and it's just been a very, very chaotic thing. It's very unexpected, and everybody wants to know about the stock market now, so I'm here to report it to you guys. The way they fought back was by vowing never to sell, edging each other on with posts urging by buying more shares and attacking critics of their favorite stock. Andrew left. A note-shorted seller who had predicted GameStop's demise last week stopped commenting on the company, saying his family had been threatened. So now it's getting a little weird, because it's getting a little sus, because everything is getting personal and it's getting dangerous, because this whenever it comes to money, it can get like very, very dangerous. And like I'm not surprised it happened. I just reacted to that just now, and it's really a serious thing, because you could actually get hurt, and like families could be threatened just right here because of the stock market and money involved. Now obviously there are a bunch of Redditors, so I know they're not going to be like killing anybody. They will be doing identity thefts and lots more digital attacks. Now this is crazy. It's titled "Talk of Overnight Riches." Adding to the interest, fantastic claims of overnight riches. One prominent Wall Street Bets member said he turned a $50,000 investment in GameStop into $22 million, mostly in the past few weeks, and that his GameStop fortune has soared mind-boggling $48 million as of Wednesday night. Kevin Rose, a New York Times reporter, tweeted Monday that about a chat on Wall Street Bets that include prepubescent kid saying that he had made $15,000 on GameStop that day by trading in his brother's investment app. Investment apps include Robinhood, Moomoo or Moohoo. I forgot what it's called. Those are the only two I know. You can look more into those. You obviously have to add your payment verification, your social security number to log in with that. So if you don't have that, make sure just to chill with that. Kids my age are already doing it. Some of my friends are investing in Tesla and Omni, but it's something you really need to learn about. So this isn't something, I'm not teaching you really anything. I'm just like reading. I'm literally reading it. I'm teaching myself pretty much, but you need to make sure to read other articles and actually speak to your parents before actually trying to invest with the stock market. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is the report on the stock market so far. I'm new to it. I'm sorry if I made any mistakes that made you laugh or completely humiliated me, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have episodes coming out almost every day. Don't make me stick to that. I may not, but we have very interesting stuff coming up this 2020, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow or the next day. Peace!